Okay, so let us look at this question. They're saying sketch, okay, the modulus function 2x plus 2. Okay, so the secret to sketching this modulus function is just reflecting whatever part of the graph will be in the negative region, you reflect it into the positive. Okay, so how do we sketch a modulus function? Remember that the modulus cancels out any negative. uh, so if I have the modulus of minus 2, this is the same as 2. Okay, so what we are going to do is we are going to come up with a table of values of this guy. So we're going to say let y be equals to 2x plus 2. Okay, and then we come up with a table of values like that. So this is just a straight line. Okay, so a straight line, you only require 3 points to plot it. Okay, so this will be our x values and our y. So we have minus 1, 0 and 1. Okay, so minus 1, 0 and 1. So these x values here, you pick whatever x values you want. Okay, but just make sure there's 0, minus 1 and 1. Okay, or I can say just make sure there's a 0, a negative number and a positive number. So what happens if I substitute this x with the minus 1? I'm going to get minus 2 here plus 2, that will just be 0. Okay, and then if I substitute that x with 0, it will be 2 multiplied by 0, which is 0 plus 2, it will be 2. If I substitute this x with 1, it will be 2 multiplied by 1, which is 2 plus 2, it will be 4. So this is all that we require in order to plot this graph. Okay, so let's plot this straight line first. Okay, let's plot that straight line. So we are going to say, okay, we have our xy axis like that. Okay, and then let's put in some numbers there. So we have the 0 there. Okay, we have 1, we have 2, we have 3. Then on the other side we have minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3. Then here we have 1, 2, then we have 3. Okay, so this here is our y-axis, and then that one there is our x, right? Okay, so the first thing is to plot these 2 points here. Okay, these 2 points here. So minus 1 to 0, it will just be this point, and then 0 to 2, it will be that point. Okay, 1 to 4, it will be some point that will be up here. So if we continue this curve here, okay, let me extend it. Okay, so if we continue that curve, they are going up like that. You can have a 4 somewhere there. Okay, so 1 to 4, so it will be that point there. Okay, and then we're just going to draw a straight line. Okay, on those points there, we're just going to draw a straight line. So we are going to say, let's join these points. Okay, so this one joins with that one, joins with that one. So you can see this straight line, right? Okay, so this straight line will continue even down there, to continue like that. Okay, so this line that we've drawn, guys, okay, is the line x is equals to what? 2x, y is equals to 2x plus 2. But remember, in our equation we are interested in what? The modulus of this guy. So the modulus means that whatever part goes to the negative part here, okay, so whatever part is under or below the x-axis, we have to reflect it up into the positive axis. So when I come here, okay, I see that when starting from here going under, that is negative, but the modulus, it means everything is positive like that. So I'm going to reflect this part that goes down here, I'm going to reflect it into the positive x-axis, and I'm going to draw a line that goes like that. Okay, so that graph there, okay, this one, the one in yellow, and then it comes back in blue here like that. Okay, that is our curve of y is equals to 2x plus what? 2 2 modulus. Okay, so that's basically it. That's how we can graph that equation.